नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपका दोस्त भालैया बिदरू। ऑनलाइन नौकरी सर्च इंजन में आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए कुछ नई नौकरियां लाया हूँ। नौकरी के सभी संबंधित सभी जानकारियाँ मैंने इस डैशबोर्ड पे दिया हूँ और आवश्यकता डॉक्यूमेंट का लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हूँ, जहाँ से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं।
Country: Saudi Arabia. Post: Structural fabricator. Email ID: oman@asmax.net. Contact: 7666 523614. Last date: 7th August 2020. Experience in steel industry. Consultant: Nasser Overseas Consultant, Mumbai. Country: Saudi Arabia. Positions: Civil Supervisors, Insulation Supervisors, Insulation Technicians, Hydraulic Mechanic, Marketing Executive, Excavator Operator, Auto Electrician, Heavy Driver. Consultant ASMAX. Contact person Mr. Aziz Ansari. Phone number 8424940829. Email ID rec19@asmax.net. Next, Saudi Arabia. Position: drum truck drivers, trailer drivers, water tank drivers, boom truck drivers, crane operators, excavator operator, backhoe operator, bobcat operator, wheel loader operators, roller compact operator, grader operator, asphalt PO operator. Minimum 2-year experience. Age limit 23 to 35. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation. Contact person Miss Malahar. Phone number 917823993305. Email ID saudilocalJobs@gmail.com. Consultant Fulltech. Country: Saudi Arabia. Consultant Dynamic Staff Services. Trade: plumber, foreman, civil site engineer, plant electrician, plant technician, refrigerator technicians, transmission specialist, diesel engine technicians, hydraulic mechanic, heavy duty mechanic, auto mechanic, auto electrician, plant helper, load operator, pump operator, mixer. Send the resume@dss-hr.com. You can contact through the phone number also and for the different states. Country: Saudi Arabia. Urgently required for leading construction maintenance company. Swimming pool technician. Minimum 3-year experience at swimming pool cleaning and maintenance pump rooms. The candidate should have Saudi Arabia driving license is must. Email ID mg31@mgwala.com. Mobile number 91 902 900 4845. Consultant M. Ghiwala Global, Mumbai. Country Saudi Arabia. Only candidates available in Saudi Arabia with a transferable ICMA are welcome to apply. Urgently required for shipping, building and rig construction company in Saudi Arabia. Lead engineers, lead engineers, lead engineer naval architecture, lead engineer mechanical, lead engineer structural, lead designer piping, commissioning manager, project manager. Consultant F. Ghiwala, country Saudi Arabia. The required candidates who are currently working in the Saudi Arabia with transferable ICAMA, urgently required for maintenance company in Saudi Arabia. Turnaround planning engineer, mechanical static. Turnaround planning engineer, instrumentation. Turnaround planning engineer, electrical. Turnaround material engineer, rigger engineer. Turnaround material coordinator. Turnaround scheduler, document controller. Email ID oilandgas@ghiwala.com. Phone number 701-9495-486 or 8108-108-947. Next, country Saudi Arabia. Only for the candidates residents in Saudi Arabia have transferable ICAMA, urgently required for chain of supermarket mega mall in Riyadh. For the different departments, position assistant mall maintenance manager, housekeeping manager, building electrician, HVAC technicians, painter technicians, DMS technicians, mall cleaner, loading and unloading laborers, general laborers, landscape laborers. Email ID palace@fgwala.com. Mobile number 91-8108-108-954 or 91-704-586-775. Consultant F. Ghiwala. Country Kuwait. Candidate with a transferable visa Article 18 may apply. Urgently requirement for Kuwait. Position trailer driver. Contact Miss Rebecca. Phone number 91-93609-13200. Email ID kuwaitlocaljob@gmail.com. Kuwait local job@gmail.com. Consultant Voltech International. Country Qatar. Urgent requirement for long-term offshore project. Position offshore production operator, offshore mechanical technicians, offshore electrical technicians, offshore instrumentation technicians, offshore material coordinator, offshore rigger, offshore HVAC technicians. Minimum educational background 3 years diploma in the equivalent respective disciplines such as diploma in electrical, instrumentation, mechanical or technical subject. Minimum 3 to 5 year experience in the offshore oil and gas industries. Should hold the ECNR passport. Candidate can apply at enggmum@jesseenA.com. enggmum@jessina.com or enggcok@jesseenA.com. inchcock@jessina.com. Consultant Jessina Human Resources. Next, country Qatar. Client interview will be held at Mumbai, Chennai and Cochin. Large requirement, shortlisting in progress. Position QC inspector, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Supervisors, Pipeline, Diploma ITI, Welders, Downhill 5G SMAW, Welders, Dynamics 5G SMAW, Fitter for pipelines, riggers, helper for mechanical. The candidate should have at least 5 years experience in their respective field with a GCC experience in pipeline project must. Email at segullquatar20 seagullqatar@gmail.com. Consultant Seagull International. Country Oman. Consultant Dynamics Staffing Services. Candidate must avail in the Oman with NOC. Category manpower, fabricator, vessel, tank heat exchangers, fabricator, welders, technicians, riggers, scaffolders, blaster and painter. Apply at resume@dss-hr.com. Country UAE for oil field project with electrician for rig maintenance. Electrician should have the minimum experience of 3 years in rig and or oil field industry. Electrician should have minimum high school level education with technical knowledge and experience and should communicate in English. Email at aimsjobscv@gmail.com. aimsdelhi@gmail.com. Aims Delhi, Aims Jobs, Jobs CV, Aims Cochin@gmail.com. Country Bahrain. Candidate should have minimum 8 to 10 year experience in the oil and gas project. You can send your resumes through the email. Email ID given to the respective trades: planning engineers, piping supervisors, hydro testing engineers, hydro testing supervisors, HSE officers, QC inspectors, pool coordinators, material controllers, hydro testing foremen, structural foremen, piping foremen, electrical foremen, industrial foremen, industrial electricians, storekeepers, pipe fabricators, structural fitters, rigging supervisors, rigging foremen, riggers, drivers, 6 key welders, helpers. Consultant Ankita Travels, Mumbai. Country Bahrain. Recruitment, welders and CS welders and SS welders. Email at cegullbahrain20@gmail.com. CEAGULLBASRAIN20@gmail.com. Country East Africa. Required for oil and gas projects. Senior civil engineers, civil foremen, foremen, farm workers, rebar workers, concrete workers. Email ID skd@asiapower.co. Consultant Asia Power. Thank you for watching Online Naukri Search Engine. If you like this video, please comment, share, and further notification, please click the bell icon. Thank you.